Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and then your earbuds will disconnect from your phone. So then you just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, also go to the application and then click on your earbuds here. Then go to gesture control, and sometimes it happens when gesture feature is set to none, as I have right now. So if you have the same, just choose something else and check, maybe it fixes your problem. And the last one, what I can recommend it to you, is to ensure that you tap on the touch controls. The touch controls located right here at the top, and just press on it, or double press, triple press on it, or press and hold. It depends what you wanna do. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.